aspect which is very commonly questioned fact is whether doctors should advertise themselves. That is also an area which is having a lot of ambiguity. Some people feel that why not? We must be allowed to advertise like any other business concern. But the code of ethics prohibit that. That does not allow doctors to advertise. Because if advertising is allowed, God knows to what extent it can go. Like advertising of business goes to funny levels sometimes. So for professionals like doctors and lawyers like us, we are not allowed to advertise. What can we advertise? I mean, I cannot comment upon doctors, but lawyers, what can they advertise? I mean, can they advertise that if you come with a murder, divorce will be free? What? I mean, it's beyond comprehension. What free gift can I offer in Diwali vacation on two offers, on two kind of thefts? One dacoity will be handled free. I mean, Diwali dhamaka. I mean, which kind of advertising can we do? So, yeah, you can comment upon it. Being a doctor, I was hesitant. कि 2 दांत पर 5 दांत फ्री. हाँ, ये इसको दांत ही 2 निकलवाने आप 5 और निकाल दे रहे हैं. तो there is a code which is in place which says that you must not advertise, but certain degree of making your presence felt is allowed. For like, you can have your signboard, you can have your visiting cards, you can have your directional signboards from this gully to that gully, those kind of, or even you can publish in yellow pages, in directories, in magazines, that here you exist. Not giving those funny offers kind of a situation, but a simple, plain introduction. Even if you go through the code of ethics, the size of signboard is also prescribed. The fonts of your name, etc., is also prescribed. And what is prohibited is those funny degrees also which so many signboards carry. Half of them are beyond comprehension. What are the meaning of these FBTSA or whatever they write? I have seen, again, I am not commenting on you, I've seen one board on a car of a lawyer who very boldly, over and above the number plate of the car, put a signboard as if, you must have seen on the army cars or the minister's cars, there is a elevated board screwed with the red background on golden embossed letters. He has written member. No, not that much. BAB, Bar Association of Bombay. Ab member be, everybody is slightly hesitant. Oh my God, पता नहीं कौन सा member है. 2-4 पुलिस वाले ऐसे ही जाने दे रहे हैं. हाँ भाई जाइए, आप निकल जाइए. हाँ. ये है क्या? BAB. हाँ, और इतना बोल्ड रेड कलर के बैकग्राउंड में गोल्डन मेंबर. अरे एवरी लॉयर इज अ मेंबर. यू कैनॉट बिकम अ लॉयर विदाउट बीइंग अ मेंबर. हाँ, कैन यू बी अ डेंटिस्ट विदाउट registered into DCI? And tomorrow you put a signboard, member DCI. अब आदमी सोच रहा है.
Member of Indian Dental Association.
हाँ.
Many doctors put it.
अच्छा, do they put?
Yeah.
अच्छा, so
MIDA.
So it is not limited to lawyers. That's a lot of saving grace. I was under so much of embarrassment till date. I feel relieved. All right, doctors also do these antics. Okay, now that you inform me, thank you.
Thank you.
But people do this, which is prohibited. Law does not allow that. Trust me, I don't even have a signboard. My Mamaji was extremely worried that, do I have any practice? I mean, people do come to me. And he was like extremely worried that, he said that since my childhood I've seen, लोग lawyer बाद में बनते, board पहले लगवा लेते हैं, और तुम्हारा board ही नहीं है. तो sometimes being lawyer, you tend to follow law too seriously. So who goes into that dimension of this size or that size? Let's not keep a board itself. And what I have observed, most of the competent doctors, they don't care for the board. Their reputation, their skill, their expertise speaks louder than the signboard. People do reach there. You don't crave for a signboard. And if I have the right observation, Dr. Rathis also don't have a signboard. So you won't find. And it's very inspirational for me as well. Sometimes when I was getting carried away by Mamaji's advice, I saw towards Dr. Rathi and said, नहीं, और भी लोग हैं बिना signboard के. So your skill speaks louder than the signboard. And if your skill is in place, you obviously and of course do not require advertisement. You have to just sharpen your skill. You have to make yourself so competent that your skill becomes a career.